Hi everyone, welcome to the Game Level channel. Today I want to show you how you can increase virtual memory when RAM is busy. Some software that needs RAM may not work or crash. To solve this problem, you can use paging file virtual memory, which is actually a part of the hard disk or SSD, which works like RAM but is much slower. The first method, go to Windows search box and type Task Manager. Click on Open. Go to the Performance tab. Click on Memory. Committed actually shows the combination of main RAM and virtual memory. Considering that the RAM of my computer is 6 GB, then the amount of virtual memory is equal to 1.3 GB, and the amount of 4 GB of the available 7.3 GB is occupied. Well, we want to increase this amount. Go to Windows search box and type View Advanced System Settings. Click on Open. Go to the Advanced tab and click on Settings in the Performance section. Go to the Advanced tab again. Click on Change. Uncheck the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives option. Choose the drive with the most free space. I choose drive C. Select Custom Size. In this section, you must enter the minimum and maximum amount that you want to allocate from the hard drive to the virtual memory. These values are different in different computers according to the amount of main RAM. The initial size is usually 1.5 times the main RAM amount. Considering that the amount of RAM of my computer is 6 GB, we multiply 6 by 1.5, and since we have to enter the value in megabyte, we multiply it by 1024. Well, we enter 9216 for initial size. The maximum size is usually 3 times the main RAM amount. Considering that the amount of RAM of my computer is 6 GB, we multiply 6 by 3, and since we have to enter the value in megabyte, we multiply it by 1024. Well, we enter 18,432 for maximum size. Click on Set. You can also enter these values for other drives, but this will not have much effect on improving system performance. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Restart your computer. After restarting the computer, open Task Manager again. As you can see, the committed amount has increased to 14.9 GB and can be increased up to 24 GB if needed. The second method. In this method, we use command prompt. Go to Windows search box and type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator. Note that I have written all these commands for you in the description section. Well, first, copy this command and paste it here. Press Enter. As you can see, the amount of virtual memory is 1472 MB equal to 1.4 GB. Now copy the command number 2 and paste it in the command prompt. Press Enter. Note that we calculated the values of initial size and maximum size in the first method and I entered them here. You should calculate these values according to the RAM of your computer and enter them in this section. Copy the command number 3 and paste it in the command prompt. Press Enter. Close the window. Restart your computer. After restarting the computer, copy the command number 1 and paste it in the command prompt. Press Enter. As you can see, the amount of virtual memory has increased to 9,216 megabytes, equal to 9 gigabytes. If this value does not increase, repeat the steps again. If you want to return the value of the virtual memory to the default, copy command number 4 and paste it in the command prompt. Press Enter. Restart your computer. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. Thanks for watching this video.